Welcome to iGenius Abacus Academy, a beacon of educational excellence established in 2007 by Prayas Shakshanik Samajik Bahuddeshiya Sanstha. With our corporate office in the vibrant city of Nashik, Maharashtra, we have been dedicated to nurturing young minds for over 15 years. The visionary founders, Mrs. Neeta Pawar and Mr. Yogesh Pawar, set forth with a mission of empowering women and enhancing children's cognitive abilities. Supported by our executive head, Dattatreya Suryavanshi, we have spread our wings far and wide. Our vision and mission are crystal clear: to provide high-quality education to every child through ancient arts like abacus and Vedic mathematics. Additionally, we equip our students with advanced technological skills, ensuring they stay ahead in this competitive world. The core objective of our Abacus program is to enhance children's brain power and eliminate the fear of mathematics by simplifying arithmetic calculations. iGenius Abacus Academy is proud to be an ISO 9001:2015 certified institution and accredited with the Educational Board of Vocational Training Research, Government of India. We specialize in training and teaching abacus, Vedic mathematics, Rubik's Cube solving, and handwriting improvement. Our programs are designed to promote whole brain development by stimulating both hemispheres, enhancing cognitive skills, concentration, and problem-solving abilities. Our courses, tailored for students aged 4 to 14, are offered both offline and online. They not only improve academic performance but also build confidence that extends to all areas of life. Since December 2015, we've been organizing district, state, national, and international abacus competitions. These events provide a platform for our students to showcase their skills, gain recognition, and build confidence. With over 550 franchisees, 165 plus school project associations, and more than 1.5 lakh students trained in abacus education since 2007, iGenius Abacus Academy is a testament to our commitment to education. Remarkably, all our franchises and centers are managed by women, furthering our mission of women empowerment and growth. Our reach even extends beyond India's borders, reflecting our international impact. We are proud to have a dedicated team of more than 50 trained teaching faculty who are committed to delivering the highest quality education. Their passion and expertise are the backbone of our successful programs. We have made history by creating the largest world record in the Wonder Book of Records International, London. In an incredible feat, 1,000 iGenius Abacus students solved 200 math sums in just 5 minutes. At iGenius Abacus Academy, we believe in nurturing the potential within every child. Join us on this educational journey and witness the transformative power of our programs. Together, let's build a brighter future for our children.